I was untied. Your pet's a biscuit. Skip with wings. Bypass. Your seatbelt on yet? That's why I want it. Not even this bloody car anyway, I'll be embarrassed. What's wrong with my car? Your skip on wheels. I've never seen anyone so grateful in all my life. I'm very grateful, but I can't believe what a state the car's in. 50 down here. That would mark the speedos. Yeah, but speedo's out on this. I know this is on 60, but I'm going 50. No, you don't. Say that.
See ya.
Yeah, we'll see you. Cheers, mate. Have a nice Christmas.
And you. Yeah.
Cheers. Yeah. Cheers, youth. Take your time. You got a seatbelt on? Oh, start already. I've been telling him about your mobile skip.
Yeah.
I had to show him.
You said you were embarrassed of me.
I thought I'd pull up down the road and make you walk down. Bloody hell. You have to drive too fast. I'm going 20 miles an hour. Yeah, it's the acceleration though. Bloody G-force. Bet you can't wait for a part. I bet you shake it, don't you? Oh, bloody hell. What? You're not supposed to. You're not supposed to drink and drive. That's one and drive. Switch heating on. Is heating on? I didn't know. One of my passenger with you. I feel like I'm in a video game. I'm going under the speed limit. Driving in a straight line. It don't seem. I don't know. 3 car lengths from the car in front. You just like to moan about it. I'm not moaning, I'm just saying. Perhaps it's me, I don't know. 40. Yeah. 40. It's not my future, I think I'll just give you the cab fare.